Hi children, very good morning. Today we are going to deal with the second lesson of our grammar textbook, singular and plural nouns. So you all know what is meant by singular. What is meant by singular? Only one. Suppose what is this? Only one pencil. So this is called singular. Here more than one pencils. Here we are drawing more than one pencils. So that is called plural. As you all know this, so singular means one, plural means many. Plural means many. Many means more than one. That is called a singular plural. But how to write the singular plurals? So some changes we have to do this while writing these singular plurals. So today we are going to see about these changes. So first, suppose boy. To make boy as plural, we add s, b-o-y-s, boys. So most of the plurals we start with s and es to make it plural. To make singular with plural, we may add s or es. So how we'll add s or es, we'll see today. Okay. Suppose bus. Bus. Buses. B-U-S-E-S. Buses. So most of the things we are adding s and es. So where we add s and es, we will see some things. Open your textbook page number 11. You can understand more. So suppose see in the first column, all plurals we are having only with s. Boy, boys, eye, eyes, key, keys, apple, apples, chef, chefs. Come to the second column. Here we are ending with the es. We are ending the plurals with the es. So where we have to add es. So plurals ending with the s, ss, x, es. So such plurals and o. We will add with such plurals. We will add with the es. Such plurals will add with es. So s, double s. Suppose sh. Sh. So for these plurals we are going to add es. And some plurals we are going to add s. Suppose you see here, you can observe here. Boy, boys. So here only no need of add. There is no ending with s or ss or x or sh. So we are adding only s. So for these endings, we will add, suppose bus. It is ending with s. So here we are adding es. Okay children. So this is what we are going to deal with today. Now you understood where to add s and where to add es. So plurals ending with s, ss, x, sh and o, we have to add es. Now I will tell you one more of plurals. Now see the second Roman, column number 2. Some singular nouns end in a consonant y. We form their plurals by changing y into ies. Now, not all the plurals, some plurals ending with y. Some plurals ending with y. We will remove y and add ies in the form of y. Army, armies. In the place of y, we are going to add ies for some plurals. Okay, understood children? You can ask me, madam, for boy you told me only to add s. You didn't, here also y is there, no madam. Why you are not telling us to add ies here. Here boys, you cannot say b-o-i-e-s boys. This is wrong here. Why? Because before the consonant vowel is there. So before the consonant vowel is there, a, e, I, o, u. You know vowels means a, e, I, o, u are the vowels. So no need to add ies here. So for remaining things you have to add I instead of y. I-E-S. Instead of y, what you have to add children? I-E-S. Remove y and add I-E-S. So here are some of the plurals we will see. Army, armies, fairy, fairies, cherry, cherries, butterfly, butterflies. So in the last I we have removed and we have added IES. So that is the second rule. So first rule we learned about adding S and ES, and second rule we are learning about why we are removing and adding IES. And turn the page, children. Now we are going to learn about plurals of F and FE. Vowels of ending with F and FE. So suppose now next one. So why remove, then we are adding IES. Now next one, F and FE we are removing and we are adding VES. FE we are removing and adding V and V into I into E, F into V and ES. Understood? F will change into F and F will change into V, children. F will change into V. Last ending with plurals, singulars ending with F or FE will change into VES. Suppose I will tell you one example. Shelf. 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 So you have to remove this F. Last F you have to remove. SHELVES. So instead of F you have to write down VES. Suppose Y. WIFE. It is ending with FE. Remove the FE. Either F or FE, remove it. And you have to write WIVES twice. So whether F or FE, you have to remove them and you have to add VES instead of F and FE. That is the third rule of our singular plurals. Now come to the fourth rule. The vowel sound of some singular noun changes into plural form. So what is our fourth rule? Fourth rule is vowel sound will be changed completely. Suppose foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Here foot, O sound. But here when it is changing into plural, it will change completely as feet. Foot, feet. Here the vowel sound is changing completely. You see the second one, goose, geese, tooth, teeth, man, men, mouse, mice, woman, woman. So here the sound is changing, plural, vowel sound is completely changing from singular to plural. So this is our fourth rule. Next, what is our fifth rule? Fifth rule, see, we form the plurals to form any compound nouns by adding S or ES at the ending of the word. So previously I told you about adding S or ES. So firefighter, compound nouns. What is meant by compound nouns? When two or more nouns are added, it is called as compound nouns. Suppose toothbrush, fireman, Colgate, post office. So two words joined together is called as compound words. So here compound words, when we are joining two compound words, we can add S or ES. Right, children? So fighter, fighters, firefighter, firefighters, motorcycle, motorcycles, notebook, notebooks, couple, couples, spoonful, spoonfuls. Understood, children? Here two words are there. So when two compound words are added, we can add whether S or ES. Okay, children? Next, compound words by adding S. So suppose compound words, some compound words will be there. My brother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, brother-in-law, or sister-in-law, or father-in-law. So more compound word. This is also compound word, but not two compound word. It is three words mixed compound word. So how to make this brother-in-law into plural? Shall we see? We have to add only S. Brothers-in-law. Where to add S? For brothers-in-law. Don't say brothers-in-laws. Okay? Brothers-in-law. That's it. So plural of sister, sisters-in-law. Daughter, daughters-in-law. Okay, children? So such words you have to use. So next. So understood about compound words? Next, seventh rule. What is meant by seventh rule? We use a pair of or a pair of with some words that are used in plural forms. Example, see. Suppose scissors are there. I cannot say scissor, scissors. No. Scissors, scissors. I cannot say. Shoe, shoes. We'll say singular plural. So here we have to use for some pair words as a pair of scissors. A pair of scissors. Earphones, you know. You have to use a pair of earphones. A pair of sunglasses. So like that we have to use. 3 pairs of jeans, a pair of handcuffs. So for some words we cannot use plural, so we have to use the word a pair of. So that is the 7th rule, a pair of. A pair of. Next, what is 8th? Some nouns do not change into plural forms. For some nouns we cannot change them into plural forms. What are those nouns? See. Deer. Singular also deer, plural also deer. Moose. Singular also moose, plural also moose. Sheep. Sheep. Spacecraft. Spacecraft. Aircraft. Aircraft. So some nouns cannot be changed. Okay children. So you understood might be about this. So what you have to do? So here are some plurals in page number 15. You have to complete this work, and here also it is there. So you have to complete page number 15 and 16 of your grammar textbook, and you have to send me through the WhatsApp children. Okay. So if you are having any doubts, you can message through the WhatsApp. Okay children, watch the video thrice or 4 times and you will understand more. Okay children, see you in the next class. Bye. Take care.